we've succeeded displaying published post in the previous video. Now we are going to show the post detail or blog post. So the first thing we have to do is change the link to the appropriate route, because currently it uses the default link from the template leading to the post.html file. Okay, let's go back to our editor and we open the routes.php file. Here we've made a route to show the blog post. We use closure to return the view directly. We'll map to the controller as well as the route above it. We change this parameter as post, so we can pass ID or slug of the post. Then we change this closure to associative array. We'll map out this route to the show method in blog controller, and let's call it as blog.show. Next, let's open the blog controller file, and here we create a new method called show with ID parameter. Let's test using the div function. Next, let's open the index.blade.php file and find post.html. In Sublime Text or Atom Editor, you can select it by holding Ctrl+D. And we get 3 items selected. Let's change with our new route. Blog show, followed by post ID. Let's test. Now if we hover over the post item, the link has changed. And if we click, it will go to the blog post or post detail. Now let's go back to the editor, jump to blog controller file, and let's change this line to return blog show view. Then we prepared the post object by calling post find or fail, and we pass it to the view. Now let's try again. Okay, now the blog post show up as before. We have passed the post object in the controller to the view, so now let's use it and change the mockup. First, we change the image URL. We change alternative text with post title. Then we replace the text in the heading with post title. Then the outer. Post date. And we change all these paragraphs with post body. Reload the page. Now the image, title, outer, date and post content has changed with data from the database. The post body look overlap. That's because it's written in plain text with new line in each paragraph. In HTML, white space and new line will be ignored. We'll skip this issue and we'll fix it in upcoming video. Lastly, let's change the outer. Back to show blade.php. And for now, we just change the name of the outer. For the avatar, the number of the outer posts, and the outer biography will be discussed in upcoming video. Let's see. Okay, let's see another blog post. Okay, great. But I think the post image doesn't quite fit. So let's go back to show blade.php file, and here we check the image URL. If it's empty, the image tag doesn't need to be displayed. much better, I think. And we do not need a link in this blog post. In the next video, we'll make our blog post SEO friendly.